My name is Joe McDonough, and my family and I started the Andrew McDonough B Foundation back in 2007, born out of the tragedy of my 14-year-old son's passing. Andrew was a 14-year-old athlete, helped his team win a state championship in soccer on a Saturday, and just 48 hours later he was diagnosed with leukemia, went into septic shock and cardiac arrest. I asked the doctor, is my son going to be okay? And he said, your son won't live through the night. My son battled for 166 what we called bonus days. During that time he had almost 50 operations, 4 strokes, and a brain aneurysm. 4 times they told us Andrew wasn't going to live through the day. Sadly, they were right on the 4th time. And on July 14, 2007, I watched my 14-year-old son, my hero, die in his 16-year-old sister's arms. 2 weeks before we went into the hospital, Andrew said to me, out of the blue, we're just hanging out, Dad, what's my blood type? And I said, I don't know. I felt bad that I didn't know. Well, day 2 in the hospital, we found out Andrew's blood type was B positive. There's no connection between B positive blood and childhood cancer, but it was just so fitting because that was the way my boy lived. He just lived large. You meet him for 5 minutes and everybody just loved him. A reporter one time said to me, what would you have done if Andrew's blood type was B negative? I said, I don't know, we would have come up with something else. But, you know, so after Andrew went to heaven, we started the B Foundation to help fight childhood cancer. And we do that by funding research and providing financial assistance to families of kids with cancer.